to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% plant-based and 100% vegan, guys. What are we doing today? Vegan hummus. Step inside, let's get it. Hey guys, let's go ahead and talk about this recipe real quick before we dive right in. So, it has a little bit of tahini, it has some lemon, some good smoked paprika. If you never had that before, that's a game changer right there. It does have some cumin. I'm a big cumin fan. I like to put a little bit more in than usual. It does have the Aquafaba, which is the juice from the chickpea cans, okay? It does have some roasted red pepper with some roasted garlic. This right here is going to be yummy and tasty. Let's go ahead and dive right in. All right, guys, let's go ahead and go over all the ingredients in front of me. So this is going to be 1 can of chickpeas. These are steamed. I do have a 1/4 cup of roasted red peppers and a 1.5 cloves of roasted garlic. I do have 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup right here of tahini. I do have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 4 tablespoons of water, okay? This right here is Aquafaba. I'm going to be using that instead, all right? Remember, you can go ahead and substitute any of the ingredients to your likings, needs, wants, and or allergies. So, a regular food processor, that is it. Go ahead and put all the ingredients right into the food processor, guys. So we have the paprika right there. We have the cumin. We have the tahini. We have the olive oil. Look at that. That is smelling good already. Put that aside. I do have a 1/4 cup of the lemon juice. I'm going to put a little bit of salt right in there. I'm going to go ahead and finish it off with a little bit of pepper. Put that aside over there. Put that up over there. So I'm going to put in the roasted red peppers and the garlic. Wow. So I'm going to put in, this is Aquafaba, okay, which is the juice from the chickpeas. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons now, okay. Remember, you can always add, you can't really take out, okay. So put the top on, go ahead and let's go ahead and give it a mix. I'm going to go ahead and add in 2 more tablespoons of the Aquafaba juice. 1, 2, all right. See where we're at with that one right there. Put that on. This is a Ninja, by the way. That is beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and take the top off. I do have right here in front of me some tomatoes, some carrots, some celery, some tortilla chips. I do have some smoked paprika and some cumin and some olive oil that I'm going to dress on the top with some roasted red peppers, guys. Wow. Take this out of there. Simple and easy and very, very quick. It did not take me long to make this, guys, at all. I'm going to go 1, 2, and we're going to go 3. Look at that. Maybe a little bit more, right? Let's go ahead and put some paprika on the top right there. So colorful. A little bit of the cumin. Beautiful. Some roasted red peppers right in the middle, just like that. We're going to put some really good olive oil, drizzle it around on the top. This is mouth-watering. I cannot wait to dive right into this. A little bit of pepper. That is it. The vegan spice. Look at that. Coming at you. Let me go ahead and give you an up close and personal like I always do. Wow, that looks crazy good. My name is Joseph. Thanks for watching.